Would you trust robots more than a human to manage your finances?
Absolutely, why not?
No estoy segura.
I might go for robots over humans, yeah.
இல்ல கண்டிப்பா இல்ல.
Yo creo que sí, para algunas operaciones sí.
No.
67% of people said they would.
Oh, 67%. Interesting.
ஆச்சரியமா இருக்கு.
It would make sense that most people would want to leave a robot to handle their financing.
Wow, I'm surprised that the number was that high.
Do you believe robots will replace corporate finance professionals?
Sí, es posible.
Not in the near future.
Yeah.
Yes.
No creo.
Yes, but I do think it'll take a little bit of time for that to actually occur.
85% said yes, and get this, 46% believe this will happen within the next 5 years.
Wow.
That's interesting and astounding, actually.
Money is important. People don't like things going wrong with that. So yeah, I think that I can see that happening.
Our relationship with money is emotional, and the impact of the global pandemic has really heightened our stress, anxiety, and sadness around money, both professionally and personally. But technology is here to help. Are you ready?